Hello everyone, it's your girl Beautiful Queen, and I'm back with another video. I haven't done a mukbang in so long, and I'm ready to grub. So let's jump into it. I have some potatoes, some corn, some sausages, Tasha's sauce, and some fried chicken. And I love Tasha sauce because it has that good flavor. And I just love it. I know chicken is good. When ooh, it's potato hot. When people come to my channel, they're like, oh, she's doing a whole bunch of stuff on her channel, from mukbangs to vlogs to couponing, to cooking, to baking. I do it all. And it's like, I made my second channel for couponing. It's called I Love Couponing. But no one actually came over there when I made a post. So, when I do my couponing videos, I upload it over here and over there. So, ooh, it's hot. Woo! This is hot, y'all. Wow, so good. For those of you who don't know, I do not eat seafood. That's why there's no seafood in the bowl. My favorite part of the chicken is the crust. Woo! That's hot. But if you would like to learn how to coupon, just go ahead and watch my video and learn how to coupon and the things you need to coupon. I'm giving my channel a little bit of everything. But I would like to just post on my other channel on couponing. This sauce is all that. And I had to make Tasha sauce. It is so good. Woo! This potato's hot. Last time I made Tasha sauce, I had some rice too. But the sausage nose out, Tasha making them big volcanoes, potato volcano. I put the sausage on there, some rice, and salt. Delicious. I should have made me some more sausages. But I love to keep on. I have a big family. And I like to save. Got me a ginger roll over here in the cut. I don't really eat all the meat off my chicken. I want to give a shout out to Frank G TV, MRTV, Rico Bazaar, Aisha Jane, Coverage K, the Walker fan, and I'm saying it right. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. You know, excuse me. I just want to thank everyone for supporting me. I did 4 vets, y'all. I know I might have an itis after this. You know, shout out to everybody that come and show me love. Now, B-Lab came out with her mild sauce. It sold out within a few hours. But let's believe him. When more units come in, Beautiful Queen gonna be on it. Woo! Woo, this is so good, y'all. So hot. And it's gonna be my last potato. Like I said, thank you to everyone that have been supporting me. I try to get around to everyone's lives and videos. Excuse me. I think I needed that belt. See, that's why I can't do the no burping challenge when you drink a soda, because I know I'm going to belch. Ooh, that was delicious. Excuse me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll get all my videos when I upload them. Until next time, peace.